In this video, we're going to cover how to do macros. Macros are very powerful, especially if you need to do the same thing over and over again. Alright, so first we're going to type in some stuff. I'm going to type in some numbers here. Let's say 6, 7. Alright, just 3 numbers, no big deal. And then I'm going to go to View. I'm going to go to Macros. And I'm going to say Record a Macro. And with this Record a Macro, it's going to follow everything I do on the screen. And what it'll copy everything I do on the screen, keep that code, and then later on I can use that code to rerun it, to redo it on something else, on another worksheet. Okay, so I'm going to record this macro, what's called macro test, whatever name you want. Oh, whoops. Should have, probably the problem is a space there. I'm going to get rid of that space. Okay, so now I'm going to first go to data, and well, actually maybe I'll go back to home, and I'll highlight these numbers. I'll put in make it 2 decimal places. Maybe I'll make the 6 a dollar sign. You know, just random stuff. I'll color this. Let's make this yellow, and then I'll cut and paste this over here. Just doing some random stuff. And let me see anything interesting I can think of. I'll put borders around it, a thick border. I'll put another border here. And maybe this 5, I'll turn this into a %. And this into a bunch of decimal places. Okay. So I'll consider that done. Or actually, maybe I'll make the middle one red. Alright, now I'll consider that done. And pretend I needed to repeat this process over and over and over again for some reason. So what I do is, I'll go back to View, Macros, I'll stop recording, and I'm going to go to Sheet 2. I'll give you an example of what's going to happen. I'll do 8, 9, and 10. 3 numbers again, exact same location. I'm going to go to Macro, I'm going to go View Macros, and I'm going to run the macro. And I'll do exactly what I had done on the first sheet. Everything exactly the same, but on this sheet, sheet number 2. And that's how you do a macro, and that's the power of a macro. It's great if you have to do the same thing over and over and over again.